Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to view when your PlayStation Plus membership will expire on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So when your PlayStation Plus membership expires, you will no longer be able to play multiplayer games on your PlayStation or play the PlayStation Plus games of the month. So on the home screen of the PlayStation, you should be able to see the PlayStation Plus icon just to the left of the PlayStation Store in the future. If you go to this and select it, if you go up to the three little dots right here and select this, you can go to Manage Subscriptions. And this will quickly get you to the PlayStation Plus membership screen here, where you can extend it, turn off auto renew, or turn it on the bottom right here. Then right in the middle of the screen, you can see the expiration date. Mine says 1/3/2023. So I can clearly see when it will expire. And then if you have auto renew on the bottom, it should say turn off auto renew right here. And it'll give you like a charge amount. For me, it would say like $59.99, etc. So go ahead and make sure auto renew is turned off so your credit card doesn't get charged again. But if you want to go ahead and extend your PlayStation Plus, well, what you could do is go to the settings section right here, and then go to users and account, then go to account and go to payment methods and subscriptions, then go down to redeem code. You can redeem vouchers in here. If you got like a gift card from like Walmart, etc., you can type that in right here and extend your PlayStation Plus. Then you can get back to your subscriptions right here. If you go to manage your subscriptions, go to PlayStation Plus, and you will see this screen again. Now you can easily buy it with a credit card if you go to extend right here. You can go with the 12-month option, 3-month, or the 1-month option. Now anytime you buy PlayStation Plus with a credit card, the auto renew will automatically be on again. So you will have to turn that off. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.